Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
We're here today at Bank Seafood Kitchen and Raw Bar. What are we making, Chef?
We're gonna make some what everybody's loving, this burrata these days.
Oh, yeah.
And I've got the grill fired up, and it just blisters them off. But what we're gonna do then is we got this beautiful tatsoi. And
what is tatsoi?
Tatsoi is an Asian green. Once they've grilled off a little bit, and you see it get a little blister. I've got toasted pistachios, and I've got these little grapes, and we put them right into the simple syrup.
So you let these just sort of macerate in the simple syrup for a little bit?
They do. The orange is a Valencia Orange, and we're going to just segment that.
Okay. So that way you're just getting the flesh of the orange. You're not getting any of that pith.
And then the Supremes.
Look at that. Ooh.
It's just pretty, isn't it?
Gorgeous.
So we're just going to drop a couple grapes, and then this is actually really good. You should taste this.
So I see this truffle
It's truffle.
balsamic.
The sweetness of the balsamic is kind of, to me, very predictable.
That is
and it's
crazy
overplayed.
flavorful.
Yeah.
That is perfect for cheese. Shall we?
Burrata salad.
All right.
Who doesn't like burrata? You're right. Now that changed the grape. Taste the grape.
It really, really does.
It did. It made
really
it almost savory and not like a sweet fruit.
To see today's recipe, log on to chefskitchen.tv.